What's up everyone, and welcome to INVESTFAIR 2018 right here in Singapore at the Suntec Convention Centre. Now, what is INVESTFAIR all about? Well, it has been 12 years running, and if you're someone who is interested in financial education or investing in general, this is the place to be at. We are going to be covering various topics such as futures, property, stocks. We are looking at cryptocurrencies this year as well, with a few booths at the moment. And I think this is going to be a growing trend, especially as people are recognizing cryptocurrencies or trading crypto as an alternative asset class. Let's check it out inside. So this is CME Group, and they're having like a little bit of a trading zone right here so that they can teach people about futures, probably options as well. So we're right now here with the CTO of Vision Group, Mike. Hi Mike.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
And this is your first time in Singapore?
Yes.
Right now, where do you see this space heading? And also, what is Vision Group's main mission, and currently what are they focused on at the moment?
Okay, so at the moment, most people are either focused on ICOs and developing their own business models, or trying to bring access to point of sale and other ways to access cryptocurrency to the masses. We want to try and get access to the masses, provide opportunities for actually spending crypto, investing and doing other things with crypto, and then also educating the masses about how crypto works.
Okay, so I guess you're bringing this whole ecosystem together.
Yeah.
So do you find that it's going to be a challenge, especially in this current bear market that we're experiencing right now?
Well, it depends on why people come in, right? So if you're interested in using crypto on a daily basis, or you're interested in mitigating risk and going into less volatile investment type things, like for example, proof of stake or some kind of mining or these kind of plays, I think there's still a lot of sort of interest in this regard.
You just mentioned mining.
Yeah.
Is there anything different about mining that Vision Group is doing at the moment?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're at the moment trying to bring a new type of mining product that's based on a field programmable gate array, or FPGA. It straddles between an ASIC and a GPU and gives people the sort of the ASIC power and electric usage, but the flexibility of a GPU solution.
Wow, that sounds really awesome.
Yeah.
Perhaps we could actually go into another round of demonstrations to actually see this FPG.
I would love to show it to you.
All right.
On our left here, we have the traditional ASIC, and that's what everybody knows from Antminer and so on, these companies. Here we have the traditional GPU. That's what everybody else knows about NVIDIA and AMD. So in the middle, we have the new FPGA mining. So basically, the route of miners goes from GPU, which is a general purpose gaming card. Everyone's aware of that. And then it goes to ASIC. But the middle step between GPU and ASIC is called FPGA.
FPGA. So what does that stand for?
Field Programmable Gate Array.
Okay.
Okay, and so basically what it is it's a software programmable chip. So you can create your own sort of processor in software, and then basically once you get it to work, you can make an actual chip, which is an ASIC. But if you leave it in the middle state, it remains programmable, just like a GPU, but offers you the performance gains close to what an ASIC can do.
Okay. Alright guys, so right now we are with Keegan, the CEO and founder of DirectHome. Hi there Keegan, nice meeting you.
Hi Ryan.
What is DirectHome SG all about?
Okay, DirectHome is a platform that connects homeowners to home seekers, whereby the platform completes the transaction for them. So in that case, the homeowners and home seekers don't have to go through a property agent, and they save thousands of dollars in this process.
Okay, so right now, what is the current process like? So I'm a buyer, I'm looking for a seller, right? I usually go through a listing site, right? And then from then I contact the broker or the agent so that I can, go for viewing, and of course, eventually, if I want to purchase the property, I am able to do so via the broker. How is this platform different, or going to redefine the whole space?
All right. So the whole process is still the same. The platform provides you with all the mechanics and the paperwork in terms for the homeowners and home seekers to complete the transaction. With regards to the conveyancing process, even if you engage a property agent or not, the process of the conveyancing still needs to be done by the law firm. And what we do is that we facilitate them with the resources for them to conduct their own viewing, for them to, there's an automated option to purchase and the tenancy agreement form, whereby you just need to fill out the details on our platform. At the click of a button, it automatically completes the option to purchase or the tenancy agreement for you.
So, at the end of the day, can this project actually take flight would be ultimately dependent on the total number of users. How many users does DirectHome already have?
Okay, right now in our directhome.com.sg, we have thousands and thousands of homeowners already listing their properties onto our platform, and our user base are in the 6 digits and is still growing. And once we launch our rail system, anyone who wants to buy something or wants to sell something, right now they have the opportunity to monetize their data as a lead onto our platform. And it's very wide-ranging, and this is where we are very excited about.
What is the main key takeaway that people who are watching DirectHome should know about?
Okay, you might be interested to purchase our tokens, whereby you can build the platform together with us. How we are building our platform is that we believe that anyone, whichever your status, as long as you input, like for example, a floor plan onto our platform, the smart contract within our platform will reward you with our direct tokens. And from there, all this information are transparent to anyone, and it supercharges the building up of the platform, and it can be replicated anywhere in the world. Because right now we are using this C2B aspect, whereby we are not just building the platform on our own, but together with the public, together with the community. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Kian.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you. So right now we have a project called WholeLife, right, where they keep things simple and it's an e-commerce platform. We have the communications manager, Roslyn, here with us to tell us more about WholeLife. Hi there, Roslyn.
Hi.
So, what is WholeLife all about, and perhaps why is it built on the blockchain?
WholeLife is a commerce platform built on blockchain for transparency and convenience to the consumers. It is a marketplace where consumers can use WholeLife token to buy products and services. We are now in our IEO, wherein our token has been listed on NCX Singapore. The public sale is happening right now, and people can go on to purchase WholeLife tokens.
Okay, so if that is the case, right, maybe you can run me through on how WholeLife is planning to incentivize both the merchants and, of course, the end users as well.
Right. So for merchants to join WholeLife, we offer them easier access to advertising platforms in Singapore. Reason being, one of our cornerstones is MMI Media. This will offer merchants easier access to advertising platforms in Singapore. We have media real estate in Suntec City, in Grab cars, as well as football stadiums.
Okay, so what about as a consumer then?
As a consumer, we incentivize them to adopt our app, wherein consumers can go and scan QR codes and redeem tokens. And these WholeLife tokens, consumers can either trade them for fiat money or to other cryptocurrencies, or to engage services and make purchases on the WholeLife platform.
Who are the various partners that WholeLife has partnered up with of late?
We have, for F&B, we have Soon Huat Bak Kut Teh. For entertainment, we have Uncle Ringo and Asia Fighting Championship.
Okay. And that is all the time that we have for this episode. Hopefully in time there will be more cryptocurrency projects that will be showcased around the world in various conventions or various events. If you feel that the market is moving towards this space, feel free to comment below, and we'll see you in the next episode.